Welcome to the best picks. The best Power Swabs is probably one of the most convenient ways to brighten your smile. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of teeth whitening Power Swabs, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value. We'll cover everything from the science behind the whitening process to practical tips for achieving the best results, so you can confidently choose the right product for your needs. Number 5. Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus Teeth Whitening Kit. Want a brighter smile? This kit is clinically proven to whiten teeth up to 8 levels in just 12 days. It's the #1 dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening kit. Are you bothered by stains? This product effectively removes years of tough, set-in stains. It helps you achieve a noticeably brighter smile. Worried about safety? These whitening strips use the same enamel-safe and effective whitening ingredient that dentists use. You can use it with confidence. Want convenience? The advanced seal technology ensures the strips stay in place during the entire application. You can even talk and drink water while using it. What's included? The kit includes 10 treatments, each with upper and lower strips, plus 2 bonus 1-hour express whitening treatments. Get ready for a dazzling smile. What we like? This kit is clinically proven to whiten your teeth, offering a significant improvement in just a few days. It effectively removes years of stains, giving you a brighter smile. If you're looking for a reliable and effective whitening solution for a special event or to boost your confidence, you should consider this. What people say. This works so well, the best. Help whiten teeth. Doesn't slip and sticks on. Follow instructions and it should work. Easy to use and packaged individually. Great for travel as well. My teeth are noticeably whiter. They're super easy to use and stay put while I go about my day, which is a huge plus. Number 4. MySmile LED Teeth Whitening Kit. Introducing the MySmile LED Teeth Whitening Kit, your solution for a brighter smile. This kit effectively removes stains caused by coffee, smoking, wine, soda, and food. The whitening gel is vegan, gluten-free, and sugar-free. Get visible results in just 10 minutes with this kit. It uses a powerful 35% carbamide peroxide gel and advanced LED light technology. You can expect to see improvements of 2 or more shades after just 1 use. Remember to remove the plastic from the batteries before use. Experience professional-grade whitening at home with this kit. It offers fast and effective whitening results, comparable to in-office dental treatments. Get a dazzling and confident smile with this product. MySmile's teeth whitening gel ensures top safety and efficacy. It delivers a brighter smile that you can trust. Join the millions who have chosen this product for a radiant and confident look. This product is proudly crafted in the USA. Experience professional-level whitening trusted by countless smiles worldwide. Get yours today and see the difference. What we like? This kit offers fast, visible results in just 10 minutes, perfect for those with a busy schedule. It utilizes advanced LED light technology to enhance the whitening process. If you are looking for a quick and convenient way to whiten your teeth, you should consider this. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need for a complete whitening experience, including a user-friendly LED light, whitening gel, and mouth trays. After just a few uses, I noticed a significant improvement in the brightness of my teeth, which boosted my confidence and made me eager to smile more. Just 10 minutes a day, and I saw a noticeable difference after a few uses. Best part? No sensitivity at all, which has always been a problem for me in the past. It really helps lift stains from coffee and soda. Number 3. Venus Visage Teeth Whitening Pen, 2-pack. Introducing the Venus Visage Teeth Whitening Pen. This pen is professionally formulated to remove years of stains. It's as effective as strips or trays, using a similar formula to dental clinics. This pen uses an enamel-safe carbamide peroxide formula. It rapidly removes stains from coffee, tea, wine, and smoking. You'll see visible results quickly. The dentist-approved formula provides visible results within 30 seconds. Each pen offers 20+ uses and can whiten your teeth by 4 to 8 shades with regular application. This teeth whitener pen is gentle on teeth and gums, minimizing sensitivity. You can apply it on veneers and crowns, but it can only whiten natural teeth. Unlike other whitening products, this pen is compact and easy to use. Slip it into your purse or glove compartment for whitening on the go. The fine-tipped brush allows for even application. It delivers the gel exactly where you need it, providing a no-drip, mess-free experience. Share this pen with friends and family. They're perfect for any occasion. Plus, you'll have peace of mind knowing that replacements are available if you encounter any issues. What we like. This pen is designed for convenience and portability, making it easy to whiten your teeth on the go. Its low-sensitivity formula is gentle on your teeth and gums. If you like a discreet and easy-to-use whitening solution that fits in your purse, you should consider this. What people say. Literally saw a difference in the first time using them. I feel so much better about MySmile, and they're really easy. They don't leave a weird texture in your mouth or make your teeth sensitive. Great for using on individual teeth. Results work fast. I was surprised to find that after my first use, I saw significant improvement. Number 2. Auraglow Extra Strength Teeth Whitening Pen. This pen uses a powerful whitening formula with 9% hydrogen peroxide. It's designed to give you a brighter smile quickly and effectively. Get professional-level whitening results from the comfort of your home. This pen is clinically proven to whiten your teeth effectively. The 9% hydrogen peroxide formula works fast to lift stains. It releases more whitening power compared to other formulas. Each pen contains 4 milliliters of whitening gel, providing over 40 treatments. It's safe for daily use and suitable for caps, crowns, and veneers. For best results, use this pen 1 to 2 times a day. Simply twist the bottom to dispense the gel and brush it onto your teeth. The extra strength formula is safe for your enamel and minimizes sensitivity. You can achieve a brighter smile without worry. This pen effectively removes stains from coffee, wine, soda, and smoking. It helps you achieve a noticeably whiter smile. What we like. This pen boasts an extra strength formula for powerful whitening results. It whitens teeth faster, perfect for those seeking quick results. If you are looking for a potent and long-lasting whitening solution, you should consider this. What people say. Great teeth whitener that I've used several times. Easy to use and gentle on the gums. After using this for 5 days in a row, I see a remarkable difference in the whiteness of my teeth. The pen is crazy simple to use, a couple of turns of the clicky base, paint your tooth teeth, and done. No trays. No light. No strips. Number 1. Auraglow Extra Strength Teeth Whitening Pen. This pen uses a powerful whitening formula. It contains 9% hydrogen peroxide, which is a strong and effective ingredient for teeth whitening. Get professional-level whitening results from the comfort of your home. This pen is clinically proven to whiten teeth effectively. The 9% hydrogen peroxide formula works quickly. It breaks down rapidly, delivering more whitening power to remove stains. Each pen provides over 40 whitening treatments. The 4 milliliters of gel is designed for multiple uses and is safe for various dental work. For best results, use this pen 1 or 2 times a day. Just twist the bottom to release the gel and apply it directly to your teeth. This extra strength pen is safe for your enamel and causes minimal sensitivity. It's designed to be gentle yet effective. The hydrogen peroxide gel effectively removes stains. It helps to lift stains caused by coffee, wine, soda, and smoking. What we like. This pen boasts an extra strength formula for powerful whitening results. It whitens teeth faster, perfect for those seeking quick results. If you are looking for a potent and long-lasting whitening solution, you should consider this. What people say. Great teeth whitener that I've used several times. Easy to use and gentle on the gums. After using this for 5 days in a row, I see a remarkable difference in the whiteness of my teeth. The pen is crazy simple to use, a couple of turns of the clicky base, paint your tooth teeth, and done. No trays. No light. No strips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.